How to fix Aliexpress order unsuccessful. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Aliexpress order unsuccessful issue. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first and the quickest solve for this issue is by simply signing in into another account. For that, open up your Aliexpress, head over to your account on the bottom right, tap on your profile icon on the top left, then you can log out from here, and yeah, just go to settings and then log out. So there you'll see sign out option, tap on sign out. So after you sign out, sign in to another account again and try to place an order, and that should fix the issue. If that does not fix the issue, there can be problem related to your region. Now if your region is not where your products can be shipped, you won't be getting your products or you won't be able to place an order. So that's another reason for this, so just do a bit research on that. And now the final fix here is just make sure that you have a good internet connection and just update the app. For that, head over to your app store, search for Aliexpress, and after you search for Aliexpress, check if there is an update available. Update your app and you should be good to go, as it fixes bugs and issues which can be causing issue for you to place an order. And that's how you can fix this issue, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.